On this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your Wi-Fi password inside of Windows 10 or 11. But before we start, don't forget to drop a like in the video if you find it useful and to subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials and guides like this one. Now inside of Windows, you want to go into the search bar and inside of it you want to type ncpa.cpl. Once you press enter, you are going to see right here all your network connections. Now for this to work, you need to be connected to that Wi-Fi where you want to see the password of. So you want to right click into it and click into status. Once this small menu is open, you see that the Wi-Fi is working and you want to click where you see the wireless properties right here. Inside of here, you're going to see the name of the connection that you're using, in my case Netgear 11AC. And now when you go into security, here's where you're going to see the password. When you first open it, you're going to see a bunch of dots, but if you want to see what is behind it, you want to click into show characters. After that, you can copy it into a piece of paper or anything that you want, so you always have your Wi-Fi password at hand. Thanks for watching, that is pretty much it for this tutorial, guys. If you enjoyed, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this one. See you guys on the next time. Bye bye.